Good morning. Now lay on your back in comfortable position. Pillow, bolster, blanket off the bed. Let's start it. Knee to chest. Inhale, bring the left knee towards your chest. As you exhale, pull the knee gently. Just remember you can stay as long as you want in these videos. Deep inhale, send the breath into your belly. Exhale, relax your back and pull belly in. Moving on into spinal twist. Inhale, bring the left knee towards the right side. As you exhale, relax your back. Inhale, wash the breath into your back. As you exhale, let go any tension in your back. Slowly untwist, other side. Inhale, bring the right knee towards your chest. As you exhale, move the shin closer towards your heart. Deep inhale, ballooning the belly up. Exhale, pull belly in. Spinal twist. Inhale, bring the right knee towards the left side. Right hands alongside the right ear. As you exhale, relax your back. Let this pose slowly wake you up. Sometimes laying down in your bed can hurt your back. That's why this series can help you to ease the pain when you get up. Slowly untwist, prelude to elbow to knee, bend the knees, feet on the bed. Inhales, ballooning the breath into your belly. Hold the breath, pick up the left foot. Exhale, pull belly in. Inhale, feet down. Hold the breath. Pick up the right foot, bend the right knee. Exhale, pull abdominal towards your spine. Deep inhale, feet down. Hold the breath, pick up the left foot. Exhale, pull belly in. Huge inhale, send the breath into the lower back. Hold the breath, pick up the right foot. Exhale, pull belly in. Deep inhale, ballooning the breath into your core. Hold the breath, pick up the left foot. Exhale, pull belly in. Inhale, feet down. Hold the breath, pick up the right foot. Exhale, pull abdominal in. Deep inhale into your core. Hold the breath. This time, straighten up the left leg towards the ceiling. Exhale, flex the foot, pull belly in. Inhale, feet down. Hold the breath. Straighten up the right leg. Exhale, flex the right foot, pull belly in. Inhale, feet down. Hold the breath, straighten up the left leg. Exhale, reach the left heels towards the sky, pull belly in. Inhale, feet down. Hold the breath, straighten up the right foot. Exhale, pull belly in. Inhale, feet down. Hold the breath, pick up the left foot, right hands press on top of the left thigh. Exhale, press the hands towards the thighs, thighs towards the hands, pull belly in. Inhale, feet down, hands down. Hold the breath, pick up the right foot, left hands on top of the right foot. Exhale, press, press. Pull belly in. Inhale, feet down. Hold the breath. Rise the left leg, right hands on top of the left thigh. Exhale, press, press. Pull belly towards the spine. Inhale, feet down, hands down. Hold the breath. Pick up the right foot. Left hands on top of the thighs. Exhale, press, press. Pull belly in. Inhale, feet down. Now grab a pillow or bolster and put it in between your thighs. Hands behind the head, bend the knee, feet off the bed. Inhale, send the breath into the lower back. Hold the breath, press mid back down, squeeze the roll. Exhale, curl head and shoulders up, pull belly in. Inhale, head down. Hold the breath, squeeze the roll. Exhale, curl head and shoulders down and pull belly in. Inhale, head down. Hold the breath, squeeze the roll. Exhale, send the elbows towards the ceiling, pull belly down. Inhale, head down. This time, straighten up the legs towards the ceiling. Inhale, wash the breath into your core. Hold the breath, squeeze the roll. Exhale, reach the elbows towards your toes, pull belly in. Inhale, head down. Hold the breath, squeeze the roll. Exhale, curl head and shoulders down. Squeeze the roll for the second time, pull belly down. Now do 2 more rounds on your own. Now remove the pillow, lay on your side and sit up slowly. Seated side bend, straighten up the left leg, bend the right knee. Right hands clasping the left thigh. Lean towards the left foot. Inhale, telescoping the ribs. Exhale, left ear or left shoulders. Relax your neck. This pose feels amazing to open up your shoulder, hips, and neck. Second stage, glide the right hands alongside the right ears. Inhale, reach the right fingertips towards the left side. As you exhale, press the right sit bone muscle towards the bed and feel the opening up on your right ribs. Slowly use the right hand to pull yourself towards the center. Switch side. Inhale, wash the breath into the left side of your neck. Exhale, relax your neck, relax your jaw. Inhale, ballooning the breath into your heart. As you exhale, open up your chest towards the side. Second stage, arm overhead. Now glide the left hands alongside the left ear. As you exhale, feel the opening up of the left ribs. Now use your left hands to pull your chest towards the center. Roll over on your bed. And now you're ready for the day. Namaste.